Find the unit vector in the direction of the sum of the vectors. Vector A is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap, and vector B is equal to 2i cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. Solution. Let the sum is equal to vector C, which is equal to vector A plus vector B, which is equal to 2 plus 2 I cap. We add corresponding scalar components. So 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1, and minus 5 plus 3. So we have 4i cap, 3j cap, minus 2k cap. Therefore, the unit vector is equal to C cap, which is equal to vector C by magnitude of vector C. Here vector C is 4i cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap, and the magnitude of vector C is the square root of 4 square plus 3 square plus minus 2 square. 16 plus 9, 25 plus 4, 29. So this can be written as 4 by a square root of 29 I cap plus 3 by a square root of 29 j cap minus 2 by a square root of 29 k cap. Write the direction ratios of the vector. Vector A is equal to I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, and hence calculate its direction cosines. We know that in the vector A is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, direction ratios are one coefficient of I cap, 1 coefficient of j cap, and minus 2 coefficient of k cap. Therefore, direction cosines are, we know this is given by L is equal to A by a square root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square for A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap. Here A1 is 1, A2 is 1, and A3 is minus 2. So L is 1 by a square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. M is A2 by a square root of, here we can find 1 square 1 1 2 plus 4. So 1 plus 1 plus 4, and n is equal to A3 by a square root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square, which is equal to 6. So we have 1 by root 6, 1 by root 6, minus 2 by root 6. These are the direction cosines of the given vector. Suppose that in a space we have 2 points P1, X1, Y1, Z1, P2, X2, Y2, Z2. Now we have to find the vector joining these points. So we join OP1 and OP2 by triangle law of vector addition. OP1 plus P1 P2 is equal to OP2 This implies that vector p1 p2 is equal to vector op2 minus vector op1. Here vector op2 is x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap, and op1 is x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. So we have x2 minus x1 I cap, y2 minus y1 j cap, z2 minus z1 k cap, which is the vector joining two points x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. Its magnitude will be a square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. A square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square is the magnitude of the required vector. Find the vector joining the points p2, 3, 0 and q minus 1, minus 2, minus 4 directed from p to q. Here we see that this is x1, y1, z1 and these are x2, y2, z2. So solution, vector pq will be minus y1 minus 2 I cap plus minus 2 minus 3 j cap minus 4 minus 0 k cap. So we have minus 3 I cap minus 5 j cap minus 4 k cap. Now section formula. Suppose there are 2 points P and Q. With respect to origin O, the position vector of P is vector OP, which is vector A, and that of vector OQ is vector B. Now a point R divides PQ in two ways, either internally or externally. If R lies on PQ, then it divides internally, whose position vector is vector OR. Suppose this divide PQ in the ratio m is to 1. So case 1, when R divides the directed line segment PQ, vector PQ internally such that vector PR by vector RQ is equal to m by n. This implies that m vector RQ is equal to n vector PR. Now from triangle law of vector addition, RQ can be written as, if vector OR is vector R, so RQ is vector B minus vector R, and vector PR will be vector R minus vector A. From here we get the value of vector R. We have m vector b minus m vector r is equal to n vector r minus n vector a. This implies that m plus n into vector r is equal to m vector b plus n vector a. This implies that vector r is equal to m vector b plus n vector a by m plus n, which is the required position vector when line segment PQ is divided by point R internally in the ratio m is to n. Case 2, when point R divide the directed line segment vector PQ externally such that vector PR by vector QR is equal to m by n. This implies that m vector QR is equal to n vector PR. By triangle law of vector addition, vector QR can be written as QR is R minus vector B, and vector PR can be written as R minus vector A. From here we have to calculate vector R. So we have m vector R minus m vector B, n vector R minus n vector A. From here m minus n into vector R is equal to m vector B minus n vector A. This implies that vector R is equal to m vector B minus n vector A by m minus n. If R is the midpoint of PQ, then m is equal to n. Therefore, vector R is equal to m vector A plus m vector B by m plus m. Then on taking common m and cancelling that, we have vector A plus vector B by 2. Consider 2 points P and Q with position vectors vector OP is equal to 3 vector A minus 2 vector B and vector OQ is equal to vector A plus vector B. Find the position vector of point R which divides PQ in the ratio 2:1 internally, externally. We have here vector A1 as 3 vector A minus 2 vector B, vector B1 as vector A plus vector B. First, for internal division, the required vector OR is equal to m vector b1 plus n vector a1 by m plus n. Here in place of b and a we use b1 and a1 because in the question vector b and vector a mentioned. Now putting the value of m, n, vector b1 and vector a1, here we have 2 vector a, 3 vector a, so we have 5 vector a, 2 vector b minus 2 vector b cancel, so we have 5 by 3 vector a. Second, for external division, the required vector var is equal to m vector b1 minus n vector a1 by m minus n. So we have 2 vector a plus vector b minus 1 into 3 vector a minus 2 vector b by 2 minus 1. So we have 2 vector a minus vector a minus 3 vector a, so 2 vector b minus into minus plus, so 4 vector b. So that the points a 2i minus j plus k, b I minus 3j minus 5k, c 3i minus 4j minus 4k are the vertices of a right angle triangle. For this we have to find vector ab. This will be 1 minus 2i cap plus minus 3 minus minus 1 j cap plus minus 5 minus 1 k cap. We find vector AB, vector BC and vector CA. We find the sides and then we take the magnitude and then we find AB, BC and CA. Then we check whether the square of one side is the sum of a square of other side, and that is shown, and hence this triangle becomes right angle triangle. Here we have minus I cap minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 j cap minus 6 k cap. Then we find vector BC, vector OC minus vector OB. This gives us 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap, and vector CA, which is vector OA minus vector OC. This gives us minus I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. Now we find magnitude of vector AB, which will be the square root of a square of minus 1 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 6 square. So we have a square root of 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 6, 41. We find magnitude of vector BC. This is a square root of 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square. So we have 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. And vector CA, magnitude of vector CA, this is minus 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. This is 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 25, 35. We see that AB square is equal to 41, which is the sum of BC square plus CA square. This implies that triangle ABC is right angle triangle at angle opposite to AB is C.